atom, that is the charge in between positively and negatively, absolutely present shares of two carbons atom. Now carboniums ion difference and carbaniums ion difference. Now second, carboniums ion first difference and carbaniums ion now second difference. Second is that it is the positively charged of carbon species. Carbon species, it is known as positively charged, but unfortunately it is negatively charged of carbon species. Carbonium ion and carbanium ions means different. The positively charged of carbon species, only species, but carbanium ion, that is the negatively charged of carbon species. Now second point, it has 6 electrons in its valency shell. Carbon atoms म्हणजे valency shell जे असतो, it is the 6 electrons in has valency shell. Valency माहित आहे, valency, that is the KLMN cell, that is an orbitals of cell, that is known as sp.d orbitals. Second, it has 6 electrons in its valency shell, but unfortunately it has 8 electrons in its valency shell, that is the third cells of carbanium ion. Now second, it is electron different species, but carbonium ions electrons is the different species of triple bond. Second, its electrons rich species. हे जे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स असतात ते डायरेक्टली स्पीशीज मध्ये काय होत असतात, एंटर होत असतात. इट इज नोन एज रिच स्पीशीजेस. नाउ फोर्थ पॉइंट, द कार्बन एटम इन इट्स स्टेट्स ऑफ sp2 hybridization. As a carbon state, that is the sp2 hybridization. It means that third shell of p orbital, s orbital and p orbital. Now 1s2 2s2 to p6, that is the third shell of sp2 hybridization. S hybridization, only 2 electrons present, and p orbitals only 6 electrons present. It means that it has 6 electron presence in its valency shell. Now sp2 p orbital is the maximum put up in 6 electrons. Now fourth point is carbanium ion. The carbon atom in its states of sp3 hybridization. It means that one more carbon atoms of electrons is put up to extraordinary of carbanium ion. The carbonium ions less electrons, but the maximum electrons of carbanium ion. Fifth point, that is the fifth point is it has electrophile, it has nucleophile. The electron produce होतात, electrophile nucleus produce होतात, that is the nucleophile. It is represented by carbon triple bond positively charged. It is represented by carbon triple bond. It is represented by carbon triple bond positively charged, but unfortunately it is represented by carbon triple bond negatively charged, that is the nucleus, that is the electrophile. Now second is it has triangular planar shape. तसं जे shape and size जो असतो तो triangular planar shape, मतलब every side is the common, every side is same and plane, that is a triangular shape. It has pyramidal shape. असा जो shape असतो तो pyramidal असतो. pyramid तुम्हाला माहितच आहे. Now look at here the fourth, distinguish between electrophiles and nucleophiles. Electrophiles means electrons and nucleophiles means nucleus. Nucleus, central parts of the nucleus, and electrons means the revolve around the circle of circumference, that is the electrophiles. Nucleophiles, central of the nucleus. Now look at here electrophiles and nucleophiles. These are electrons loving species. Loving species. These electrons are loving species. Electron जे असतात ते species मध्ये काय असतात, activate असतात. These electrons nucleus loving species. These nucleus loving species. हे जी species असतो इलेक्ट्रॉनची ते कसं असतो न्यूक्लियस मध्ये. They can expel pair of electrons. Electrons जे असतात ते काय होत असतात, pair होत असतात about the electrophiles. They can expel pair of electrons. Electrons is the pair of only circle of the species or circle of the cell. They can donate pair of electrons. Nucleus जे असतात ते electrons donate करू शकतात, pair करू शकतात कुठं, circle of the cell or orbital. They can donate pair of electrons circle of the cell or orbital. Now second, They are electron different species, but electrons is the different species is positively charged, negatively charged are atoms or molecules. Atoms and molecules are carbon, nitrogen, that is the different species. Different species मध्ये electrons काय होऊ शकतात? They are deficient species. The electrons is deficient species म्हणजे electrons कोणतेही molecules असू शकतो. They are electrons rich species. Electrons जे असतात ते direct species मध्ये एंट्री करीत असतात. That is that they are electrons rich species. That is the electrons is the directly attached to species of the nucleus. They attacks on electron rich center. Electrophiles, electrons is the attached to rich center. Electrons is the directly attached to rich center of the nucleus, but they attacks on electron different center of deficient central of species. Electrons जे असतात only deficient central of species मध्ये attack होत असतात. That is they Lewis acid. Nucleophiles presented by only Lewis acid, but the electrophiles are present are only Lewis acid, but unfortunately nucleophiles are present in the Lewis base. Acid base. They are Lewis acid, they are Lewis base. For example, ammonium NH4 positively charged, aluminum chlorides, aluminum trichlorides, that is the only positively charged. Means electrophile that is the indicated by positively charged, but unfortunately nucleophiles indicated by hydroxy ions and ammonium ions, that is the points of view. These known as ions, these known as ions. That is the difference between the electrophiles and nucleophiles. Once again, electrophiles as the loving species electrons, nucleophiles these are nucleus loving species electrons. Nucleus मध्ये species च्या माध्यमातून electrons तयार होत असतात. They can expect pair of electrons. Electrophiles मध्ये electrons pair होत असतात. They can donate pair of electrons. nucleus च्या माध्यमातून आपण काय करू शकतो? electrons pair करू शकतो किंवा electrons nucleus च्या माध्यमातून pair होत असतात. They are electron deficient species. Electron different species मध्ये जाऊ शकतात. They are electron rich species. Electron directly species मध्ये एंट्री करू शकतात किंवा एंटर होऊ शकतात. Second, they attacks on electron rich center. Electron directly center मध्ये काय करू शकतात? अटॅक करू शकतात, but unfortunately they attack on electron deficient center. The electron जे असतात ते center मध्ये अटॅक करतात. They have Lewis acid. Electrophiles मध्ये Lewis acid बनत असतो. Reasons, that is the positively charged converted by the electrophiles, and they are Lewis base, that is the negatively charged of ion connect to the nucleophile. For example, ammonium NH4 plus aluminum trichloride AlCl3. Second example, hydrolysis or hydroxide, OS ion negatively charged and ammonium ion is the positively charged. That is the over of my difference between. Now another more, that is the distinguish between inductive and electromagnetic effects. Now look at here, inductive effects and electromagnetic effect. Inductive effects and electromagnetic effects, that is the converted between to each other and difference between the each other. It is known as inductive effect. What do you about the converted by inductive effects, and what do you about the converted of electromagnetic effects? Inductive means inductions, directly, indirectly converted to heat of energy. Electricity converted to electric energy. That is it is the permanent effect. Inductive effect, it is the permanent effects of mechanism, and electromagnetic effect, it is the temporary effects of mechanism. Second, the electron pair is slightly shifts. Electron pair is slightly shift toward the more electronegative atom. Electrons जे असतात ते pair होतात. Directly slide shifts electrons pair and directly slide to shift toward the more electronegative atoms. Electron directly slide मध्ये shift होतात and त्यांच्या माध्यमातून आपल्याला मिळतो electronegativity atom. Now look at here, it is temporary effect. Second, the electrons pair of completely transfer on one of the atom joined to double or triple bond. Electron, that is the pair, one electron, that is electrons pair join completely transfer. Electrons pair होऊन डायरेक्टली कंप्लीट कुठे होतो, ट्रान्सफर होतो one of the atom to join double or triple bond. Electron is the pair of completely transfer to one atom, that is the one atom to join to double or triple bond formation. For example, carbon double bonds or carbon triple bond. One electron is the pair and completely join to transfer to another molecules of triple bonds or double bond. Now second, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ऑफ सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स आर पार्टिसिपेट्स. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मध्ये जो बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन असतो तो सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स असतो. सेकंड, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर पाय बॉन्ड्स आर पार्टिसिपेट्स. इलेक्ट्रोमेरिक इफेक्ट मध्ये पाय बॉन्ड पार्टिसिपेट असतो, इथं सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स पार्टिसिपेट असतो. नाउ थर्ड पॉइंट, इट अराइज ड्यू टू डिफरन्स इन द इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्हिटी बिटवीन टू ॲटम्स. यांच्यामध्ये जे इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्हिटी जो असतो is the difference between electronegativity between two atoms. It arises यांच्यामध्ये डेव्हलपमेंट होतो difference between electronegativity in two atoms. Two atom is the activates of inductive effect, that is the positively and negatively charged is the joined to each other, and difference electronegativity in the induction effect or inductive effect. Now second, it arises due to presence of suitable attracting reagents. यांच्यामध्ये इफेक्ट ऍक्टिवेट तर होतो बट सुटेबल कंडिशन, इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ सुटेबल कंडिशन्स अटॅक टू रिएजंटच्या माध्यमातून जो इफेक्ट असेल तो अटॅकिंग होत असतो. सुटेबल कंडिशन, दॅट इज द पार्शियल चार्ज आर डेव्हलप्स ऑन द रिस्पेक्टिव्ह ॲटम. यांच्यामध्ये जो चार्ज असतो तो पार्शियल असतो आणि त्यांच्या माध्यमातून आपल्याला काय मिळतो, respective an atom, that is the partial charge are develops on respective atom. atom मध्ये जो चार्ज असतो तो पार्शियल चार्ज जो असतो atoms मध्ये डेव्हलपमेंट होत असतो. इथं युनिट पॉझिटिव्ह और निगेटिव्ह चार्ज डेव्हलप्स ऑन द रिस्पेक्टिव्ह atom regions, that is the suitable attachings of charge electronegativity. Unfortunately, unit opposite charge or negative charge are develops on the respective atom. यांच्यामध्ये जो चार्ज असतो तो ओनली निगेटिव्ह चार्ज जो असतो ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन्स मध्ये तो डेव्हलप होत असतो. दॅट इज द एंड्स ऑफ माय व्हिडिओ. थँक्यू.